Log into your FieldView account with your credentials. Please note, prescriptions can only be created on the web. Click on the Prescriptions tab. Select your field from the drop-down. Click Create New Prescription. Select your prescription type: fertility, planting, or crop protection, which is under protection. Click the Start button on the Manual Prescription box. On this screen, you can choose to create a manual prescription using the following options: zones from a previous prescription, zones from an imported prescription, or SSURGO zones, or draw your own zones manually. For demonstration purposes, this video shows a planting prescription using SSURGO zones. Enter the planned planting date, hybrid, and prescription file name. Click Finish in Editor to enter your target dry yield and population. Click Save, and you will be directed back to the Prescriptions tab. From here, you can set your prescription as primary, edit the prescriptions, rename, export, or delete. To export, click the Export button, then change to the selected monitor and click Download. You can repeat these steps for additional prescriptions you wish to create. For more information, please reach out to our support team or visit our Knowledge Center.